Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Mattison 177 edge sander. If you have questions about pricing or availability, please go to 360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often. This is a Mattison single-sided number 177 oscillating edge sander. Probably one of the most stout single-sided edge sanders ever built. Much more robust than an Oakley or an Ekstrom. If you take a look, you can see, it's just a lot of cast, a lot of steel, and really overbuilt. First of all, it does have 55-inch by 10-inch platens, and those platens are in really, really good shape. They're nice and flat. There's no gouges or memory to them. It's just the way we hope to find them. Your side tables are 64 inches by 12 inches. They do raise and lower in tilt, as well as your end table. 7.5 horsepower main motor, single horse on that oscillating mechanism. Also, if we were to come in here, it's hard to see, but you have newer rubber that's nice and soft. As you can see, it's kind of hard to tell from here, but it's nice and soft. It's not glossed over or glazed over. It's not cracking or checking or gouged. No real memory in it on your front and rear drums. Here's your oscillating mechanism. They use a geared system, kind of like a half cam. Works really well. Yeah, and that's a pretty big 1 horsepower motor. As you can see, it's an induction motor. It's got all your covers here, which is kind of nice. It's got dust ports at both ends. Obviously, they can be removed. Probably the only thing I would say about this model that's a little quirky, and it's the model and not the sander, is your adjustment. Tracking can be a little intimidating. Once you know what you're doing, it's pretty easy. But as you can see on the side here, you have your adjustments for your table, so you can raise and lower your table. But what's unusual about a Mattison 177 is that you can adjust that roller that came for left to right, front to back, up and down. And since many of them only allow in and out, and then an angle, like my hand is going right here. And this one you can kind of adjust in every direction. So until you kind of learn how to dial it in, it can be a little tricky. Once you dial it in, there's no issue, but we find on the Mattisons it's a little bit more temperamental. But if you talk to me about every sander, I can tell you the pros and cons. It's not like there's one that's just so much better than the other. It's just something that the Mattison 177s do have. We're going to start it up real fast. Smooth running. We're going to turn that oscillation on. We couldn't find any repairs, welds, or brazed areas on the sander. It's in pretty good shape for its age. full running conditions. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.